Hello dear friends, sorry for late video. I fixed some bugs, very big problems, very big codes, but finally we have something interesting. Now we can add different strategies in multi-power strategy. You can read that forum here. You go forum, you go MPGOv automated multi-power strategies. You go here, read how it works. It's really simple to understand. You can see also additional videos here. And what we do here, we combine four currency with different for currency. We sell some for currency, we buy some for currency. We're never doing some lock or hedging. We fix this in file, then we trade until the profit from current market. So we will never see in the strategy some hedging or lock at one pair. That's interesting. So let's test everything together. So strategy 37, it's sell GPY through the CAD, Euro, GBP and USD. We sell, it means we buy this four currency up to GPY, or we sell GPY up to down to the CAD, Euro, GBP and USD. From other side, we buy USD to the GPY and the D chiefing out. That means, but we read these signals in indicator and we fix the signals in file. Then we sort some pairs and we trade until the profit. We make not one pip step at one pair, we do multi pip step at all pairs at the same time. So let's test the strategies. First strategy we have 37. We sell GPY with that currencies, four currency that looks down. So, or we buy this for currency to through the GPY in sell, but this four in buy. We form that four pairs with JPY. Same we doing here. So we buy USD and we sell this four currency and we form these four pairs. But the question is that USD GPY, it's the same pair here. This is why we have only not 4 and 4, we have only 7 pairs here. So what we do, we will test this. Also we have other type clear vision 38. This is vice versa to 37. This is reversed means. So let's open terminal. Let's attach EA with 37 and 38 later. Okay, 37. We just go type clear vision 37. We must look to the files in MT5 files. We have to delete everything. Before attaching EA, we attach robot after trading on, and it's opened start orders. So what do we see? We see GBP is higher, we have to sell it. GBP sell, GBP in sell 4 times, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this by order GBP at second place, that means we sell GBP 4 times. And we buy 4 times USD with CAD, Chief, JPY and GBP. So what do? We buy USD 1 time, 2 time, 3 and 4 time in GBP USD, as I told you. 7 pairs opened. So let's switch to the next strategies. 38. It must be vice versa to this. Your GBP in sell here. What we doing here? We switch to 38. 38 once we are doing initialization. What we can do? We can close all files. Your GBP, as you can see, 3 sell, 4 buys. 3 buys, 4 sell, vice versa, your GBP in sell, vice versa to this. So what here happens? We buy GBP 4 times, there is GBP 4 times and 3 times and 4 times, and USD in sell 1, 2, 3, 4, and here there is sell USD. What you can also do, in default I did average auto Pipstep equal to -20. How to set up this? You just set up Pipstep 20 and multi-power true. If this value in minus will go -20 pips, see, at night it's really danger because spread is high. At night market only open it. The problem is that spread can be easy -20 right now at each pair, -15, -20, and this is crosses, a lot of crosses, and they give you a big average pip step from the start, because when we open sell we use a bid, but when we close sell we use ask. Now ask is more higher than bid, and this average pip step already calculated from start. But when we add more
New
levels,
multi-grid level opened.
we can add it manually. We can wait until it became your pip step minus pip step. So if pip step 20, if you will see -20 here, it will open automatically this. So test it at demo and see which pip step you like. When it goes to your minus pip step in anti-trend strategies and in trend strategies, it's different stuff. Right now we trade trend strategies testing, so let's continue discuss next. The type leverage number 30. This is anti-trend strategy. What do we sell and what do we buy here? We also have 29. It's same as 30 but reversed. Okay, this is a trend. So what we have here, we sell USD to this 4 currency, we sell GBP to this 4 currency, we sell euro to this 4 currency, we sell CAD to this 4 currency. This is strategy number 30. Let's test this. Right now I'm using, for testing, I'm using stochastic at D1, so it's not mixing a lot, it's not changing a lot. This is why I choose this, so I just show you how it works. But you can use H1, you can use different type of strategies here. You can use clear pips from day open. This is from day open, you will see clear pips from day open. And do not trade clear pips when market only open it, it's not good. You can own your EA like total automatic, better use at with some RSI or stochastic at day 1 or H4 at least. ADR also can be good, MA also can be good, but use higher time frame like H1 or D1. In this case it will not change a lot and fast, so but you don't care which time frame to change, because we use only current market to write in file. After this file will be not changed until you will not close all. This is, I also write at forum so you can read it. So let's test number 30, what we discussed. Number 30, let's test this. Number 30, 1C initialization. Yeah, I will not open new orders because it have files from old strategy. He have old pairs from old strategy. See, Euro GBP. Euro GBP. He have 7 pairs. Wait a moment, what happened? Why they have only 7 pairs? Why they have only 7 pairs? Interesting. That's interesting. Because we opened 2 multi-grid levels. Okay, that's okay. If you close the wall, I will update file, and now you will see new pairs for new strategy, because update these files when you close the wall manually or close target equity. That's important stuff. This is what you have to remember. So now what we see, this is trend or anti-trend. Euro, USD and GBP. Take a look. GBP in sell. This is anti-trend. GBP down to the GBP cut, GBP NZD, GBP out, GBP USD. This is the pair you will see in sell. But you will see also USD in buy. USD in buy. USD chief, USD GPY, chief and GPY here. USD GBP not exist. This is why we're doing GBP USD in sell, vice versa. But we buy USD, because USD in buy to the GBP in sell, USD in buy in this sell order. And this is how it works. So we buy 4 and sell 4 to each other. So totally we have 16 pairs in this strategy. So we also can test the same as 30, but reverse it. It means in trend strategy. Now we tested anti-trend. See this, upper we sell, lower we buy. But right now we will do exactly the same, but vice versa, reverse it. So what we are doing, we change 30 to 29, 29 here. Once you press OK, nothing will happen until you will not close the wall, and will not switch the files. And see, I will prove it to you. There is signal files, and today we change it at 01:02 in 1 hour 2 minutes it was happened. But right now 1 hour 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes. If I will delete it, will not do anything until you will not close orders. It's also important to understand. See this. So pick up at the end of this minute. It's not happened 5, and he pick up new signals. Why it's new? Let's compare this. GBP must be in buy, GBP in buy, as you can see, vice versa. USD in sell, continuation. This 4 currency will go in trend, this 4 currency will go in trend. So what do we see? Euro chief, GPY, GBP must go up. Euro, GPY, everything at first place go up, everything at second place go down. This is how we build these pairs. And you can see there is currencies, there is pairs, all sorted, all updated. If we close the wall, for example, if you will use fast time frame, let's suppose you use fast time frame, like I'm not recommended to use really fast time frames like M1, but let's suppose you use faster time frame. For example, this is M1, okay? Come on, market work. Outcut cross. Suppose you use this time frame at H1. Let's check it. Does it work? H1 or not? Yes. I mean 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute, and symbols change really fast. And see, this was GBP was at first place. I mean at upper place. There is vice versa, like this shows 0 is here, 0 sorted index is here. So right now is different situation at M1 as it was at day one. If I delete this, I will receive from M1 right now. We'll take a look at this. This GPY must be at this place. This place, EOR must be at this place, out at this, GBP and ZD chief CAD USD at bottom. 0 at bottom, the higher is GPY. This is M1. And that's how you can pick up different signals from different time frames if you need. But we trade. For example, if something will change now, but everything not change with EUR and GPY. If they change right now, I would see this. If I close the wall, look what there was. EUR was at second place. Now EUR at third place. Let's delete them. And what do we see? We pick up new signals. See this EUR out. So EUR at second place. So I hope you understand that if you close all, if you are or you close all in profit, we pick up current signal from this indicator. That's what I wanted to show you. So let's switch to day one and test one more thing. Day one, okay, so what do we see? We just tested 30 and 29. This is vice versa to strategies. So we need to test 31. This one is kind of the strongest and weakest go in trend, but between them we sell buy. I tested this strategy also. It's interesting. It's interesting to do it. Let's test it 31. So what we do in 31? Let's take a look. JBP in buy. We see this. JPY must be in sell. Yes, we see this in sell, in buy orders. We see JPY in buy orders. JPY don't have pairs at first place. We only must search. If we search for sell JPY, we must search buy orders that have JPY at second place. Chief must be in buy also, because buy sell, chief in buy. Chief, what do we see? Chief in sell orders, it's buy chief. EUR buy sell. EUR in sell must be, if they not change it right now. EUR in sell, okay, we see it. EUR. So see, it's 16 orders strategy. We sell 4 currency 4 times, and if it's red and if it's currency blue, we buy this currency 4 times with different red. We form pairs with this red colors indexes. So, and we receive buy and sell pairs. Also, I posted some set files if you not understand, but there is nothing to understand. You can only switch a Pipstep, make a multi-grid in true, and you have to see also maybe control max spread to let robot trade sometimes or not trade during news big spread and during night big spread maybe. Also I posted 32 strategy. That's the same that previous strategy, but vice versa. Like there was in trend, the highest was in trend and lowest was in trend, but 32 vice versa. This inside channel, but between them also sell buy, sell buy. So we can switch and test it. We will see the same pairs, but vice versa if index is not changed. Let's make it, but we have to update files. We have to close all. If you not close all, do not switch the strategies. Now if we close all, we have to see how files change. 10 minutes, now 12 minutes, almost 30 minutes. If we close all, you can see files changed to current strategy. So on the last one strategy for today, maybe I will add more semi-automatic strategy. I will show you what to do with this. This is Clear Vision 32 multi-power true, 4 pairs anti-trend. So what we do, we sell highest pair to index number 3, 7 index we sell to index number 3, 6 index we sell to index number 2, 4 to 0, see this, 5 to 1. So you receive only 4 pairs. This is how you can look the market and see how it goes. This is also a kind of correlation, you can use it, but let's test it and I will show you some tips. So we'll change it 33, okay, 33 strategy, 33, we have no orders, we delete files, or we cannot delete files. If you press auto trading button, see this, 16, now 20, if you trade auto trading buttons, if you are initialization, after this, it must delete these old files and create new with that time. See this? See this? It's updated. It's updated right now, and we have only 4 pairs. Anti-trend. So, what I did wait a second. 37 I show you already. I have coded a lot of strategies, but let's make it step by step. 33. I can add 34, also vice versa to 33. But let's stay at this. Let's stay at this, and I will show you one more strategy with buttons near currency and near pairs. Let's wait one moment. So, and the last strategy I want to show you today, that's 888 strategy with buttons. I updated this a lot. So right now multi-power in files need Clear Vision 888. You can choose also any indicator you like, any time frame. So once you boot at this chart and we'll see some indexes, we can start to trade. Right now what we can do, I already posted this in previous videos, that now you remember which button you press it, it opens 7 pairs at one currency. So if you reboot your MT5, and you will see next boot, you will see that remember this button. This button is remember. If you turn off this, will stop trade this currency. For example, if you want to trade in sell other currency, you can press this. You will receive new orders if it's not exist before. But the robot will continue trade in usual Pipstep at one pair. You can set up, for example, if you want to see add more grid levels at one pair, you can press any button even at one pair or all currency, that's automated. That's the same as we did in this strategy. We have currency accelerator. What we did, we press at all time one button when we need to add more 7 orders. That's more like multi-pip step there was, but this 888 with buttons in MPGOv5.0.4.x works only one pair in one separate pip step, not multi-pip step. I don't know how to make it multi-pip step if you press, for example, 2 currency. That's problem in my mind. I don't know, maybe you will understand how to do it. For example, if you press it one button then other button, the problem if we buy and sell 2 currency, we can open 30 pairs. That is not a problem. But for example, if I will press sell 2 currencies, for example, like this, for example, we have one and other we sell, we also have 13, because robot do not understand where we have to trade CAD UP pair. CAD in sell and UP in sell, that's the problem. So never trade in one direction to currency. You can trade only different direction to currency, or better trade only one currency at news. And if you're really sure that right now will be some news and USD will go more down, just press USD. Otherwise press separate pairs you would like. There is sorted pairs, there is not sorted pairs. They always at same place. For example, if you want to trade only USD, your USD, I mean, you just press sell and your USD will add more sell orders if price will go up, and will close in last TP with separate pip step at one pair. This is the most important part of the strategy, that now we remember when you reboot your MT5, we remember in such files, we remember which buttons was pressed before you reboot your MT5 or connection was lost. That's the most important part. So guys, have a good profit. So right now we open it demo test. I told at Pipstep.1 soft is free to use a demo accounts all summer of this year. So test everything you like and send me all strategies you wanna combine. I will later also modify strategy 777 for multi-pip step. We have this already in clear vision. We have strategy 777. Remember it? It read also buy and sell pairs from file. This file will be named like this. So I will modify this strategy tomorrow. Today I wanna compile some server protection and server logic to give you a chance to test from tomorrow, but I don't have unfortunately free time, and there is not quite in our city today at night. So I believe I can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow I will give you strategy 7.7 with multi-pip steps, so you can manually post your pairs and you will see this multi-pip step stuff at this pair in auto trading, totally auto trading. You only put sell pairs in first line in text file and sell and buy pairs in second line. So these pairs will trade in multi-pip step. I think it's easy. I can do it. Right now I can do it, but few months ago it was really hard to me and I coded a lot, guys. So we can now lock the market in some cycles. We can see which more profitable, most interested strategies. Now I will show you. What I'm doing in my tests. Just one moment. I will show you my mobile. I will include this in this video. So what we did. We did deposit 10,000 deposit, and I started to trade May 22, and right now is May 28, and this is I'm testing. I think I'm testing this strategy. Hold on a second. I will show. I think I'm testing this trend strategy. I test this 31 trend, but I test with 7 fire. Hold on a second. I don't remember which strategy I test. 16 fires. 16. I think I test 38 trend strategy with low drop down. This one. I test this. So I did 3%, but current the current drop down is not big. All week current drop down is not big. So let me show you. Posted this account also in Telegram. I also fixed some clauses. They're really nice and interesting. It's I updated two type of clauses: fast clauses and beautiful clauses for balance. This is beautiful clauses for balance, but also here I tested fast clauses. It's really fast close any broker. You can test it also in parameters. This parameter is here. You can find equity close, and you can see close the fast fails or true. If you press true, you will close just a really fast all orders in 1 second. But if you make it true, you need beautiful balance as I show. You just make it here true. But right now I'm testing fails. If it's fast closes in fails, you will receive beautiful balance. If fast closes in true, you just receive fast closes without beautiful balance. It's only balance line, but the equity and targets will be the same. Don't worry about it. Just closes your broker faster. Nothing else. Have a good profit, guys. Send us at mail any type of combination. We can add it really fast. I know how to do it right now. We have really interesting constructor. You can if you will also create tomorrow strategy multi-power with 7/7 that read your pairs sell and buy, that will be much interesting to you to test anything and tell me what to do and how to delete and create this totally automatic files. Have a good profit, guys.